This elote-inspired dip is so addicting. I've been finding any excuse possible to roll out the grill and make it this summer. Because the secret to achieving that signature Mexican street corn flavor is, of course, grilling the corn. So I'm starting with 5 ears of corn and prepping my charcoal grill to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and shucking the corn completely before adding to our greased grill. Everyone has a different way of grilling corn, but I like to do this, again, shucked and just directly on the grill, uncovered, and turning them every couple minutes just to make sure they get an even char all around. Now, the next step is to add a grill-safe pot or pan or even Pyrex bowl if you have it and it's grill safe. And we're adding some butter and minced garlic to that pan and just allowing them to melt together, and we're getting our garlic nice and sauteed in that butter. Of course, keeping an eye on our corn while this is happening. If you don't have a grill safe piece of equipment, you could also just do this in your kitchen on your stovetop, but I love the efficiency of doing it all on the grill. So we'll cook this just until the butter is melted and the garlic becomes slightly fragrant. We want to make sure to keep an eye on it because it's very easy to burn the garlic here depending on the temperature of your grill. You can see I came dangerously close here, so with heat safe gloves, remove that and just set aside to cool while you finish off your corn. I like to have some good char marks on all of the corn before removing from the grill. And that is the hardest part of this recipe. We're now ready to start assembling. So we'll cut our corn off of the cob. I like using this technique where you put it in a bowl and just slice down the sides. I find that it's nice because the corn just falls right into your bowl and you are ready to go without having to dirty another cutting board or anything like that. Just be very careful with your fingers here as always. And we're going to just do this for all 5 ears of corn. If you want, you can break them up into smaller individual kernels, but I kind of like having some chunks of the larger kernels just to show that this is fresh corn that was grilled. And then we're going to add our melted butter and garlic to the bowl with all of the corn, as well as the rest of our salad ingredients. So I'm doing about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, as well as some chili powder or tajin if you like the sweet and sour kind of kick, cayenne, a minced 1/4 of a jalapeno, lime juice, and fresh herbs. For herbs, I like to do green onion and cilantro, but you can use whatever your preferred herbs are. I feel like this is a very personal choice, so you do you. As well as some cotija cheese. And then we're just gonna toss everything together, just folding it until everything is coated with that mayo and the lime juice and the spices, just until evenly combined. We don't want to overmix here. At this point, you are ready to enjoy your dip. You can serve with tortilla chips or as a side in tacos, or just eat it right out of the bowl. Enjoy!